Using a needle tool. The design is drawn onto a leather hard slab. The slab has been shaped and a foot ring added. Once the design is completed, a loop tool is used to carve out the lines and establish the depth of the carving. Sculpting tools are used to remove clay and give the piece some depth. Using an X-Acto knife, the exterior excess clay is removed. To add more dimension, small teardrop-shaped coils of clay are attached and smoothed. Final refinements and carving are done. Texture is added using a small circular carving tool. Thanks for watching.